Good morning, children. No one has ever become poor by giving. Always be compassionate and helpful. Goodness triumphs over evil. Yes, children. And that is the story today that I'm going to tell you. The Scorpion King. And the value that we have is helpfulness. So we should always be compassionate and we should always be helpful to others. So let's read the story. One day, a saint went to the river to bath. There he noticed a scorpion struggling in the water. Scorpion cannot swim, and the saint knew that if he did not save the life, the scorpion would drown. Therefore, carefully picking up the scorpion, the monk rescued it from drowning, and was just about to set it down gently in the land when the scorpion stung his finger. In pain, the saint instinctively flung his hand, and the scorpion went back into the river. As soon as the saint regained his composure from the sting, he once again saw the scorpion was drowning. Therefore, he lifted the scorpion out of the water again, and before he could set the scorpion safely on the land, the creature stung him. This drama went for several minutes as the saint continued to try to save the life of the drowning scorpion. The scorpion continued to sting his savior's hand before reaching the freedom of the riverbank. Now, children, the story is about the saint and a scorpion. So, the saint was trying to save scorpion's life by taking him out of the water, because scorpion cannot swim in the water. However, वो जैसे ही स्कॉर्पियन को उठाते थे, स्कॉर्पियन उनकी फिंगर को बाइट कर लेता था. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पेन, जब सेंट अपने हाथ झटकते थे तो स्कॉर्पियन वापस पानी में चला जाता था. Now, a traveler who was resting and sitting on the bank of the river noticed that each time the saint carefully and gingerly lifted the creature out of the water, only to fly it back in, as he shook his hand in pain for each fresh sitting. Finally, he asked the saint, "Forgive me for disturbing you, but I want to ask you something." "Surely," replied the saint. "I have noticed that every time that you're trying to save the animal, it stings you and you are in pain. Then why are you trying to save it?" Continued the traveler. So, वहाँ पर एक traveler बैठा हुआ होता था river bank पे. एंड वो सेंट को देख के पूछते थे कि जब वो स्कॉर्पियन आपको काटता जा रहा है तो आप उसकी ज़िंदगी क्यों बचाना मांग रहे हो. सो द सेंट स्माइल्ड एंड सेड, "आई एम डूइंग व्हाट आई बिलीव इन, while the scorpion is living by his nature. Both of us are helpless. But if I give up my goodness becomes someone else in bad, then good loses over evil. But in reality, good always wins. Therefore, I will follow my principle, let the scorpion live by his." The traveler definitely got some good food of thought, while the saint carried on his journey. So, वो traveler पूछते हैं saint से कि आप बार बार उसको बचा रहे हो, वो बार बार आपको काट रहा है, तो आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हो. Then the saint says that the scorpion is doing his job. वो स्कॉर्पियन का नेचर है कि जब भी उसको लगेगा कि कोई उसको जान से मारेगा या उसकी जान खतरे में होगी तो उसको काट लेता है. और एज ह्यूमन बीइंग ये मेरा नेचर है कि मुझे उसकी ज़िंदगी बचानी है. सो लेट द स्कॉर्पियन डू हिज वर्क एंड लेट मी डू माई वर्क. So children, it says that whatever situation is, you just have to do your good deeds. Don't worry about what people are saying or what are bad deeds. What makes you important is what good deeds we are doing. Okay, and let's rest, leave it on God. So that was the story about the saint and the scorpion. I hope you enjoyed the story, children, and you will understand that no matter what situation comes, we should always do good to others. We should not harm them. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye, take care.